In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Telegram last seen even if hidden. Before we start, it's important to understand what's possible and what isn't. Telegram does not provide an official way to reveal someone's exact last seen time if they restricted it to nobody or to my contacts, and you are not included. That said, the app offers built-in clues that can help you gauge their general activity without breaking privacy rules. We'll use what Telegram already shows. Approximate last seen categories, brief online indicators, and read receipts. First, look at Telegram's approximate timestamps. When someone hides their last seen, you won't get a precise time. Instead, you'll see one of 4 labels. Last seen recently means they were active anywhere from a second ago up to about 2 or 3 days ago. Last seen within a week covers roughly 2 or 3 days up to 7 days. Last seen within a month means it's been between 7 and 30 days. And last seen a long time ago usually indicates more than a month of inactivity, or that you've been blocked. These ranges are intentionally broad. Use them as a general guide rather than a stopwatch. And remember, they can shift as time passes. Next, watch for the online status. Even with last seen hidden, Telegram will briefly show online when the person is actively using the app in a chat you share, either a one-on-one conversation or a common group. If they send you a message or reply to yours, you'll also see online for a short window. Keep their chat open and glance at the top bar. If online appears, that confirms real-time activity in that moment. It's quick and can disappear fast, so timing matters. Finally, use read receipts to pinpoint activity more precisely. Send a polite message and watch the checkmarks. One checkmark means your message reached Telegram's servers. When it turns into 2 checkmarks, it confirms the person opened the chat and read your message. That switch is your clearest signal of the exact moment they were active. You won't get a timestamp from Telegram, but noting when the second checkmark appears gives you a reliable reference. Keep it respectful, avoid flooding messages, and understand that notifications, muting, or preview settings don't generate read receipts until the chat is actually opened. Thanks for watching.